Hello again, in exactly the same place. So on to Tuesday. Tuesday I decided that I didn't want to do the 7 miles to Lechlade and then explore around Lechlade again, so I drove up there. I'd spoken to a local guy the night before who'd given me a brilliant piece of advice about somewhere to park, so I managed to park for free and safely all day. That was lovely. So I'd kind of deviated off the Thames Path a bit. The Thames Path, as lovely as it is, most of it is just across fieldland, so you're completely exposed, there's no shade, it's very hot. But I managed to find a couple of quite nice kind of wooded paths to walk down to get myself to a place called Roundhouse. Roundhouse is apparently the area where the Severn meets the Thames, and there's quite a lot of, so the routes around there are the sort of Thames and Severn Way, it's called. While I was walking along one of the wooded paths, I got very excited because I saw a nuthatcher having a go at some bark on a tree. There'll be a video of that added at the end of this one, so you can fast forward through me gabbling and just get to that if you like, that's fine. Anyway, from Roundhouse I then walked to Inglesham, where I rejoined the Thames Path and did it's just a tiny section of the Thames Path between Inglesham back up to Lechlade. And then I did a second walk that started from Lechlade that was kind of a big loop that went back around to St John's Lock and then back around into the town. So it was kind of two loopy walks that I sort of squidged together. And then last night I had quite an exciting time. I experimented with making toasted cheese sandwiches on a campfire, and that was rather good fun and very tasty, and there is also a clip of that at the end of this, so enjoy.